Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A79, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my display. Just make sure that whatever you want to actually capture is visible right now on the display. Once that is the case, simply hold your power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have a little bit of a flash along with a pop-up with scroll and the share options visible for a brief moment, at which point after like 2 seconds it just disappears. Now, talking about the scroll option that was visible right there, it is accessible to us when we have content that we can scroll down on. So as an example, settings would be a great example, or maybe Instagram, where you just continuously can keep scrolling down. You can then press on that button and it will start scrolling down, and you can just continuously extend the screenshot to be longer and longer, right? So you could, for instance, in terms of settings, capture the entirety from the top to the bottom screenshot. It will be very thin and long, but it's still full resolution, so you're not really missing out on any kind of thing. Anyway, once you have captured your screenshot, you can find it in your Photos application. Now it will be located under Library and an album called Screenshots. Here you can see it. It's right at the front because it has been just captured, so there we go. Now, with that being said, this is how you'd capture your screenshot on this device, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.